Dude, this is amazing. Like, the energy is fantastic. Everyone's so happy to be here. It feels like a movie, actually. Yeah, it's all quite wild. At the heart of the show is the lens that people will go to get what they want and to be with the one that they want.
I know what it is to be parted from your true love, and I sense it in you.
It was incredible filming in Scotland. You get a lot for free as an actor. When you're filming on a location like that, it's absolutely stunning. You don't really have to do a lot of acting. It's all there for free. And when you can't see the film crew, it is really like you travel back in time. It's incredible.
Everyone's always, in search of love, whether that's familial love, sibling love, romantic love. It's a story that's about what it is to be a mother, a father, a brother, a sister. So that's always going to be transferable to modern day.
What day is it now?
It's a Saturday in the year of 1714.
You feel like it could have been written 300, 400 years ago. You've got the politics of like warring factions against one another. And then you've got bright-eyed kids like Murta, who just wants the best for himself, but it just won't go his way.
I don't know how I got here.
Perhaps I've lost my mind.
You're going to be transcended into a different space, time. It's going to be about love. It's going to be about passion. It's going to be about feuding. It's basically what the world is right now, but a lot more exciting, hopefully. I'm Brian Fraser.
My father detested yours.
What's different about Blood of My Blood is there's a lot more family dynamics and clan dynamics that intertwine throughout the whole season.
If my brothers hear the slightest whisper of a Fraser, they'll kill him.
It's a really fantastic, and the costumes, as soon as you put that on, it does all the work for you.
What if you never find her?
I will.
I would travel back probably about 40 minutes ago when we arrived in this carpet, because that feeling when we got in the car was, I was going to swear, but I'm not. It was amazing.